Well, welcome to our Gomm Stained Glass Wisdom Wednesday. On the rare occasion that a client has an open house after an installation, we are there. And this house is so extraordinary, and we are amazingly pleased to be a part of this beautiful project. So this window is in their spa. It is a beautiful cherry blossom design, and we were so pleased to be able to build this. Seeing them in their new home makes me so happy. Each panel has over 400 pieces. So join me as we come up the staircase. Every part of this house is so beautiful. The details are amazing. And let me show you the chandelier. Will you take a look at this? What kind of sparkly glass is that? It is so beautiful. And as I looked down, it is so huge, I about got dizzy trying to just see the bottom of it. It is so beautiful. Every part of this house is amazing. And this mural was done by our friend Lindy Mott. It sets off the nursery with whimsy and style. It is so beautiful. And she is available for your next mural too, so we know how to get in touch with her. This is so cute. If you look close, you'll see the little owls and the beautiful mandala shapes. It's just so lovely. Any child would just love to be in this room and just stare up at the pink blossoms of that tree. So here in the rotunda are some more windows that we were pleased to build for this family. They are of the seasons. There were 6 seasons, so we had to add a couple of doubles, but they are so beautiful, and wow, do they set off this room. We were just so lucky to be a part of this house. Every piece of it was just so beautiful. And there was stained glass in different parts of the house, but oh, everywhere is just gorgeous. And outside, it was just beautiful just to take a walk all around the grounds. And the airplane in the back was pretty amazing, and there was no stained glass in the airplane, but hey, there was a plane in the backyard. So the wisdom in this experience is to stand back and enjoy your finished product. Take in the wonder of your hard work and celebrate your successes. Well, thank you for going with us on this tour, and be sure to visit our website to set up your own consultation for stained glass art in your own home.